All right, this is my sound check. A, apron. E, equal. I, iris. O, opener. U, unicorn. R, star. Fern. Or, fork. Sorry. U, book. Oo, moon. Saucer. Oi, oil. O, out. Itch. E, echo. A, apple. Octopus. Umbrella. Bat. Dog. Fish. Goat. House. Jam. Kite. Box. Queen. Leaf. Mitten. Nest. Peg. Rabbit. Sock. Table. Valentine. Wagon. Yarn. Zipper. Chair. Ship. King. Mother. Thimble. Whistle. Shun. Explosion. This is for the notebook. So first we have ELARTs. Then we have session 2 coming up. Sorry, all got stuck. Session 2. Session 4. Session 12. Sorry. Session 12. If I can get it all. There we go. Session 12. Session 14. Session 17. Oop, can't get a good handle on it. Then session 18. Session 20. Ooh, goodness, sorry. 21 part 2 starts on here. Goes till there. And then session 22. Now the activity book. Got page 11. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to get it onto my lap a little bit better. Then, sorry, I'm trying to get it where I need it. Page 36. And then page 77. Page 78. Page 79. Oh, I had it. Sorry. This one, sorry. Page 87. Page 90. Page 106. page 117.